Let's look at this Mathematics Paper 2 2025 GCE. We are going to select the questions. If you want to learn more, you can register for your online classes, quite affordable. So let's see what we have here. The first question was saying simplify, okay, which I'm going to tackle because it's quite simple. All right, so if you want, you can expand this. Now there's a division here. Some of you might say, what's this division doing there? Well, it's actually easy. Or what you do is that is a squared b to the power 3 over 2c multiplied by ac squared over 2b. Introduce multiplication there so that the 2a can go on top, then the b squared and c come down. That's all. Now that you have something like this, you can clearly see that careful here. All right, you can clearly see that there's a c here, all right, which can eliminate. There are two c's in fact, so this c can eliminate these two c, meaning masi yonse achokako. Is it making sense? Then not about the b's. All right, there are two b's here which can eliminate two b's from there, but there's another b here, meaning yonse ma b atatu yachoka. Is it making sense? Then what will remain with first of all? There's a 2 here which can go with that 2 there. Let's now write what we have remained with. It's a lot of space action. So we have remained what? A squared over 2 multiplied by a there over 1 multiplied by a here over 1. Now check out what we are remaining with. We have a squared times a on top, meaning we get a to the power 4 over 2. And you are done. For the geometric progression, find the first term, geometric mean, and the sum to infinity. All right, so as usual for the geometric, we need to find our first term, which is 60 there. Our common ratio, 30 over 60, just give us 1 over 2. That's all. Or 15 over 30 is still 1 over 2. Then we come to the first one. So the 60th term will be given by a r n minus 1. Our first term here is 60. Our r is 1 over 2 to the power. Now n is 6, so 6 minus 1. So 60, 1 to the power 5. Some of you have a problem, but many of you can divide there. Don't do that. It's only the half which is raised to the power 5, which I know this will be 60, 1 over 32, because 2 to the power 5 is 32. Now, all what we have to do is that we have 60 over 32. It's you to reduce this, okay? 60 over 32. So I'm getting 1.875. We use the calculator here. You have nothing to worry about. And number 2, the geometric mean. So the GM mean of a geometric progression is given by the square root of the two numbers that you have. So 15 multiplied by 3.75. So 3.775 times 15, it's 56. 0.25, and when you find the square root, so the mean is 7.5. That's all. Sum to infinity. Sum to infinity is given by a over 1 minus r. In this case, our a is 60. There it's written 1 over half 60. What is 1 minus half? It's still what? Half. And we know by now this is 60 divided by half, giving you 60 times what? 2, to give you 120. 2a, express this as a single fraction. Quickly, Paku, x minus 1. Next, Paku, you divide this into there, they cancel, it makes that one. So you have 5x minus again. Don't say cross multiply. This into there, they cancel, these two cancel, it means x minus 1. So you have 2x minus 1. We move further. This will be 5x minus 10, negative 2x, then plus 1, plus 2. Careful here. This is where most of you lose marks. Just permanent pari expansion. You know when signs are giving you something, negative times negative is positive. Negative times positive is negative. Positive times positive is positive. Then from there, you collect the like terms. Minus 10 plus 2. X minus 1, x minus 2. And we move on. Same signs we add, different signs we subtract, and maintain the sign from the larger number. Since these two are different signs and 5 is bigger than 2, we subtract them. And the sign will come from 5 because it's bigger. Same thing here, 10 is bigger than 2, meaning the sign of the answer is going to be negative. Then we subtract them to be negative 8 over x minus 1, x plus 2. 3 marks. The next question was 2b. Find the equation of a tangent to the curve that at that. The equation to the tangent, and well, when they say equation to the tangent, the question is, or what we have to do is that find the dy dx of that. So what we do in our case is that our equation is x to the power 3 minus 5x squared plus 8x minus 4 at x equal to 1. So the equation of the tangent is like a circle, then a straight line. So we are looking for this equation of that tangent, which just touching part of a curve. Now this is a curve, by the way. It's of that nature. So how exactly do we find the equation of the tangent? So differentiate this, okay? Meaning you need to find the gradient. So the gradient is dy dx, which is 3x squared 10x plus 8. To differentiate is you decrease the power by 1, and you drop the odd power. So dropping the odd power is 3, decreasing the power by 1 is 2. You drop it there, then you decrease the power by 1, you make that. Dropping the power here is 1, and if I say 1 minus 1 is 0, x to the power 0 is 1. Now they are saying at x equal to 1, so substitute now. So you say dy dx is equal to 3, 1 squared minus 10, then 1, then plus 8. And this will give us 3 minus 10 plus 8, of which I know 3 plus 8 is actually 11. 11 minus 10 will give me 1. So the gradient for this equation is 1. And we know that y is equal to mx minus x1 plus what? y1. They have already given us x, but we need to find the corresponding value of y. That's why there's y1 here. So let's first find y1. How do we find y1? We substitute x in the original equation, meaning we have x 1 to the power 3, 5 1 to the power 2, 8 minus 4. We do that. So y1 is 1, 5, 8 minus 4. y1, you can see that this will give me negative 4 plus 8 and negative 4. So y1 is, this is negative what? 8. Negative 8 plus 8. So y1 is 0. So y is minus 1 plus 0. So y is equal to x minus 1. That's the equation of the gradient. That's so.